Do you work in online marketing? Employed with a digital agency? Managing an online store or a local business? Perhaps recently published a new electronic book or course? In any event, there are a lot of ways to maintain and expand your business. You will require an integrated online marketing strategy regardless of your size. To support your audience growth, prospect engagement, and sales. And encourage repeat business from clients. You'll require obtain response. Online marketing that is scalable and produces incredible outcomes. Begin by developing a loyal audience. Use a clever strategy to convert site visitors into subscribers. A download box, an escape pop-up, or an enrollment form. Select the one that best suits your website and demands, make an enticing offer, add it to your website so you don't miss any new. Go on to using highly effective email marketing to increase audience engagement. In less than 30 minutes, you can create your newsletter using 500 mobile-ready email templates. Personalize the background, buttons, typefaces, and colors. You may even instantly add and rearrange images. Simply click send and observe how your subscribers respond. Take it one step farther. Create follow-up initiatives that are automated and will send interesting information precisely as you have planned. And sell for you continuously, while you simply unwind by sitting back. Create comprehensive customer journeys using e-commerce solutions, robust marketing automation, segmentation, tagging, and scoring. Greet new clients, observe their purchasing patterns, and show appreciation for their commitment, or get cart abandoners back. Utilize subscriber data and behavior to deliver the appropriate message at the appropriate moment. Increase the number of responses and sales. Move beyond email. You can expand your list by using our landing pages. Or advertise your ebooks, courses, events, and special deals. The most converting categories page templates are mobile-friendly and prepared for use in less than 15 minutes. Without coming into contact with any code. Are you trying to find new ways to engage your audience and get leads? Attend a webinar with GetResponse. Organize live webinars, product demos, onboarding sessions, and trainings directly within your email marketing system. Then, with advanced analytics for every tool, see your outcomes improve every day. Use real-time metrics to track and keep an eye on your marketing statistics. For interactions, conversions, subscriptions, and other metrics. GetResponse is an inexpensive marketing program to attract new clients and establish connections with